Come take a look at this new 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 on the highway. The Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.23 ratio, engine, Vortec 4.3 LMF, transmission, 4-speed automatic, electronically controlled, and the audio system, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD player. Call 910-798-2727 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.